People are either on or off the chicken liver wagon. If you're off or just eat it to boost your iron levels, I hope this recipe will change your mind. Pick the freshest chicken liver you can find. Start by cutting an onion in thin slices. Add olive oil to a pan over medium-high heat and cook the onions until translucent. Slice garlic cloves, add 1 serrano for heat. Add the serranos to the pan, followed by the chicken liver in one layer, and season with coriander, a little bit of salt, and pepper. After 5 minutes, flip the liver, add the garlic, and also season with coriander, salt, and pepper. Cook for a few minutes. Drizzle some lemon juice, then chop some fresh cilantro. Add to the pan and mix well. Slide the liver into your serving platter, add more lemon juice to taste, some fresh cilantro, and drizzle with pomegranate molasses.